Zig Zag sewing machines offer versatile stitching options beyond straight lines, ideal for edge finishing, elastic insertion, and decorative work. Key functions. These machines excel in sewing zigzag, three-step zigzag, scallop stitching, and sometimes straight stitches. Materials suitable for a range of materials, including light fabrics and, when equipped with heavier needles size 18, heavier materials like denim jeans. Industrial models, known for high speed, durability, and specialized uses. Key models include the Yuki LZ22808 8mm maximum stitch, Yuki LZ228 4C 7-cylinder bed with thread trimmer, and Yamato LG series for high-quality soft seams. Modern features. Many newer industrial models, for example Yuki LZ290C, feature direct drive motors for quiet, efficient operation, automatic thread trimmers, and improved, lower tension sewing. Common uses: finishing raw edges, zigzag stitches, particularly at medium width, density, seal fabric edges to prevent fraying. Elastic attachment, ideal for lingerie and swimwear because the stitch allows for fabric stretch. Decorative and functional sewing, used for embroidery, applique, and creating secure seams. Common components: presser feet. Specialized feet, such as non-stick or roller feet, are often used to accommodate the side-to-side motion of the needle. Needles. Different sizes can be used depending on the fabric type, for example size 10 to 18. Optional devices. Add-ons like the ACU10 computerized tape tension controller or automatic thread trimmers enhance efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.